Welcome back. So we are completed our oh yeah, this is the problem because when we click on our add product and we got a problem, undefined variable product, right? Let's first solve this problem. If I go to my text editor and open fields, so now you can see basically the index file, sorry, the create file. Our create file is not understanding what is product, right? Basically it's right that what is product, right? It is not finding the variable. So how do we fix this problem, right? First we need to go to our controller, and then of course it is index method, basically sorry, the create method. So simply we can say product equal to new product, basically the empty object, right? And then we will compact this, and if we reload again, now you can see this issue is solved. So the dashboard is in construction. We will work on it when we complete our product and orders users. So our add product is successfully working. For example, we want to, okay, in the next video I'll just tell you how I'll demonstrate you the module, right? And view product, right? This is completely working fine. The delete methods, right? And the edit, for example, we want to MacBook Pro, only Mac, and the price is 200, and some text 111, and an image for that. Click on update, right? It's updated. And let's work on details, right? So for details, if I go to my project and where the details page, let me just add this real. Okay, the detailed page is ready without wasting your time, right? So if I open this in my text editor, and then I'll simply cut this row from here, and then close this, and I'll create a new file inside my views products and call this details, right? Details blade.php, and then let's just extend master first, and then section pages, of course, product details, right? And the next section for content would be this, right? The row. And if I can, and just close this, and if I came back and click on details, now you can see method show does not exist. Of course it does not exist in our product controller, so let's just create it. If I go and write a new function called show, and of course ID, which product you want to see the details of the product, right? 4. So simply product, and then find ID, and then read in a view products details, and of course I'll compact product with it, right? And then if I open the details page in the row, and first let's just die and dump product. If I click on edit button, now you can see the specific product, for example product ID 1, it's not available. 4, right? So let's just think, okay, this is the product 4, which is this, right? So it means the data is passing to the view. So ID is product ID, and the name of the product, and simply the description of the product, and then price, right? And simply when created, updated at, and then image. I'll use URL, set uploads, and then concatenate this with a slash, and then product image, right? So if I save this and reload, now you can see this is the details of product 4, and I need to, the created at, for example, I need this to, for example, 2 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago. So to do this, there's a built-in library for that, basically, which is Carbon, right? So Carbon will help us to deal with dates. So if I say diff for humans, right, 33 minutes ago it's created. Of course, for updated ad, I'll also do the same. Diff for humans, right? And there we go, right? So I think our product module is completed, and congratulations, you just made this, right? Because now you know how we can create, how we can add forms data to database, and edit the data, delete the data, the details of the data, and how we can upload images or any file, the validation, and you learn much skills, right? Believe me. I'll again say congratulations. And this was the product module. I think it's very simple, so understanding was very simple. I just try to make the videos quite short so you understand them better, right? And in the next video, I'll be teaching you the authentication, right? We'll be learn how to log in, how you can create your own login and the manual or login system, right? And then we'll work on our front page. Yeah, let's just create some dummy orders, right? The dummy orders and dummy users, right? Then we will set up our dashboard and authentication, and that's all for admin panel, right? And then we'll work on our front view, and we will create a shopping cart and amazing things, right? So stay tuned and see you in the next video.